Hi Ria, why are you smiling today?
I am happy because I love coming to MS Study Center.
What do you like here?
Teachers explain very clearly and slowly.
Learning is fun here.
That is why I come every day with a smile. Our teacher is very kind.
Yes, she always helps us.
She never scolds us for small mistakes.
She says, mistakes help us learn.
That makes me confident.
I am not afraid to ask questions now. Do you study every day?
Yes, I study a little every day.
Even when you feel tired?
Yes, practice makes me better. What do you want to become?
I want to be a good teacher.
Teachers change lives.
Just like our teacher, Tivikaru.